Hey friends, welcome back to another video. Today I'm sharing the recipe for hot sauce. Hot sauce or chili sauce is a staple condiment for so many dishes. The recipe is really easy and you'll love how fresh it tastes. In this recipe, I'm using ghost peppers from my garden and they are super spicy. For peppers that are less hot, use habanero, Thai chili, serrano, or jalapeno peppers. For the ingredients have red bell pepper, ghost peppers or your choice of chili peppers, garlic cloves, water, white vinegar, sugar, and salt. Remove the core from the red bell pepper. Cut the pepper in half and remove most of the seeds. Now cut into small pieces. Transfer the chopped bell peppers into a medium saucepan. For the ghost peppers, first cut off the stem and then cut in half. Just a quick note, I'm using a food prep glove to handle the peppers so they don't burn my skin. Using the knife, cut or scrape out the seeds. The seeds are where the heat is concentrated, and if you want your sauce super hot, you can skip this step. Chop the ghost peppers. Transfer into the saucepan. Smash the garlic cloves and then finely dice. Add to the peppers. Add water, vinegar, sugar, and salt. Combine everything together. Cover and bring to a boil over medium-high heat. When it comes to a boil, give everything a quick stir and then cover the pan again. Cook on low heat for 8 to 10 minutes or until the peppers are soft. Once done, let cool on the stove for 5 minutes. Transfer everything into a blender. Blend on high speed until smooth, approximately 20 to 30 seconds. Take a look at the consistency and then have a taste. Adjust the seasonings to your preference. If you prefer a looser sauce, add more water and then blend for a few more seconds. Transfer the contents into a fine mesh strainer. Press on the mixture using a spatula to pass it through the strainer. Discard the remaining solids. Be sure to scrape the underside of the strainer as there's a lot of sauce here. Mix everything together. Store the chili sauce in airtight jars. Refrigerate for up to 1 month. Hi, I hope you've enjoyed this easy how-to video. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to post below. For full recipes, check out RunAwayRice.com. I work on new recipes each week, so please subscribe to my channel to stay tuned. This is Trang wishing you good eating and good health. Thanks for watching.